In this video we'll go through the basic procedure on how to change a tyre using the ATC24T with the assist arm. This is a low profile tyre, so we will be using the assist arm to remount the tyre. First up, you need to break the bead of the tyre on both sides using the bead breaker on the machine. This is done by simply pushing on the pedal . Next, you mount the tyre onto the table and clamp it. We now need to lubricate the edge of the tyre bead to make it ease of use for removing the tyre from the rim. Sometimes with low profile tyres you do need to push the bead back down again on the sides using the assist arm. This simply helps in the demounting process. The roller can also be of assistance. Next, we bring the tool head forward and line it up with the edge of the rim. Once in position, lock it off. Next, you need to use the tyre demounting lever to pull the edge of the tyre over the edge of the duckbill. It's very important that on this step, the edge of the tyre is over the top of this part of the demounting head and underneath of this part. Now simply turn the table until the bead pops completely off. Remove the second side of the tyre. It sometimes can be helpful to use the assist arm and the hook in this process to help lift the tyre up. Now the tyre is completely removed. Now we'll go through the mounting steps. Re-lubricate the tyre. In the case of a new tyre, you need to lubricate both sides. With the tyre lubricated, we can now go back to the table and start remounting. Start by mounting your outer bead first. This is generally the easiest bead to mount. For the final bead, you will need to use the assist arm if it is a low profile tyre. Now you can see where the bead of the tyre needs to be. In this case, it's opposite to demounting, so it needs to be under this section of the tool head and on top of this section of the tool head. Now the tyre is remounted, you can now re-inflate the tyre.